Julia Louis-Dreyfus is having a hard time saying goodbye to her hit show Veep. The 8-time Emmy Award winner, who has won 6 for her portrayal of politician Selina Meyer on the series, shared new photos from the wrap party after the final day of shooting the series earlier this week. Get push notifications with news, features and more. Following you'll get the latest updates on this topic in your browser notifications. These are photos from our pre-wrap party of just some of my friends from @Veep, she wrote. The actress, 57, posted a series of photos of herself making silly faces with a handful of her costers, including Matt Walsh, Anna Chlumsky, Sam Richardson and more. "I'm going to miss these people more than I can express," she continued. "Actually, I already do miss them. I'm gutted." On Tuesday, Louis-Dreyfus revealed that the hit HBO comedy shot the final scenes of Season 7, which is the show's last. It will premiere in 2019. "Today is our final shooting day on this glorious show," she captioned a black and white photo she shared on Twitter. The final day of shooting marks a long year for Louis-Dreyfus, who went public with the news that she had been diagnosed with breast cancer in September 2017. In October, Louis-Dreyfus opened up about beating the disease and returning to the series, which postponed filming while she underwent cancer treatment. "First and foremost, we had stalled Veep production because of my situation," she said during an appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live. "A lot of people worked for me, so I knew I really couldn't keep it private because I had to tell everybody what was going on." Through the experience, Louis-Dreyfus said her eyes were opened as to the importance of affordable healthcare. "I think it's an important conversation to have about health and health care," she said. "I very much considered the notion that as someone battling this disease, the idea that I might not have health insurance, which I do thanks to my great union, is completely terrifying." Veep's 7th and final season is expected to premiere on HBO in spring 2019.